I've got so much to do, I don't know where to start. I'm working like a dog, but I'm not seemingly getting anywhere. Help! Ninh explains, work less, achieve more by using the 80-20 rule. If I was to tell you that you could achieve more by doing less work, you'd probably think I was lying to you, right? Well, believe it or not, it's actually true. An Italian economist, Vilfredo Pareto, worked out that 20% of all people earns 80% of all the wealth in the world. And this rule pretty much applies with everything. 80% of sales is generated by 20% of customers. 80% of all commissions are earned by 20% of all salesmen. 80% of the world's beer is consumed by 20% of, well, idiots. And 80% of the world's sexually transmitted diseases occur in David Hasselhoff. Not the Hoff! Yeah. This is known as the 80-20 rule. And simply put, 80% of all your results will come from just 20% of your efforts. So how does this apply to me? What I want you to do is just take a look at your life. Take a look at the things that you need to do. And I want you to write it down. I'll give an example. This is my to-do list for today. Written it all down. And I want you to highlight what the most important 20% is. Then what I want you to do is focus on that 20%. Spend 80% of your time working on that 20%. I guarantee you that this will yield 80% of all your results. Not only does this force you to prioritize, which is a pretty good skill in itself, but you'll seemingly get more results from doing fewer tasks. The idea is to simplify your life, make fewer decisions, and focus on what's really important. Chances are the other 80% has no effect on your results, and probably wasn't all that important anyway. I mean, no one has to watch TV. No one has to masturbate. Yes, I do. Huh. Awkward. But try it out, guys. If you're a salesperson, focus on the 20% of your customers that will get you 80% of your sales. If you've got lots of things to do, focus on the top 20%, and that will yield 80% of your results. And if you're David Hasselhoff, well, I'm sorry, I'm not a doctor. I can't help you with that. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Download my free ebook here as of the 1st of May. And follow me on social media right there. But on a closing note, guys, try it out. Focus on the top 20% of what you have to do, and it will achieve 80% of your overall results. Let me know how you get along, comment section below. I think I did that all in one take. Woo! Actually, no, I didn't. Not only does this... An Italian economist will... What's his name? So, no, I'm not putting that in. That's just a step too far.